Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming basics you might skip. Charge your AirPods Max and phone and enable Bluetooth. Once done, put the headphones on and hold the noise control button to wake pairing mode. You should see the white flashing light. Make sure Bluetooth is active in settings and that airplane mode is off. If a previous device holds the connection, turn that device's Bluetooth off. These steps clear simple blocks so the deeper fixes will work predictably. Next, force a fresh connection by forgetting the AirPods Max on your device. Tap the info icon and choose Forget this device. Then reset the headphones. Press and hold the noise control button and digital crown together for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears internal pairing data and often fixes stuck states. Once you see the white blink, open Bluetooth settings and select AirPods Max to pair. Make sure the device is near and unlocked for a smooth handshake. Finish by verifying audio, controls, and spatial audio behavior. Play media and jog volume to confirm. If pairing still fails, restart your phone and check for firmware updates for the AirPods Max in Settings General About. If problems persist, try pairing with a different device to determine whether the issue is the headphones or the original device. If the second device connects, focus on the original device's Bluetooth stack. If not, contact service for potential hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.